Today we're going to discuss comparing fractions with unlike denominators or numerators by multiplying. Before we begin, let's review some inequalities we should be familiar with. Less than, greater than, and of course, equal to. Let's compare 2/5 and 3/8. When comparing fractions with unlike denominators or numerators, we're going to begin with the denominator on the left. In this case, the 5. We're going to multiply that by the opposite numerator. 5 times 3 is 15. Now let's go to the other denominator, the 8. We're going to multiply that by the opposite numerator. 8 times 2 is 16. To determine which is greater, 2/5 or 3/8, we're going to look at the products, 15 and 16. Since 16 is greater than 15, that means that 2/5 is greater than 3/8. Let's look at another example. Let's compare 3/7 and 4/9. Once again, we're going to multiply the first denominator by the opposite numerator. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. Once again, let's compare our products, 27 and 28. 27 is less than 28. Therefore, 3/7 is less than 4/9. Let's try a couple more examples before you do some work on your own. Let's compare 5/7 and 3/4. Once again, we'll begin by multiplying the denominator on the left, 7, by the opposite numerator. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. Now let's multiply the denominator on the right, the 4, by the opposite numerator, 5. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. As we examine our products, we can see that 20 is less than 21. Therefore, 5/7 is less than 3/4. Let's try one more together. Let's compare 5/6 and 10/12. We'll begin by multiplying the denominator on the left, the 6, by the opposite numerator, 10. 6 multiplied by 10 is 60. Now we'll multiply the denominator on the right by the opposite numerator. 12 multiplied by 5 is 60. In this example, we can see that our products are equal. Therefore, that tells us that 5/6 is equivalent to 10/12.